We'll get some of these spots right over here repaired and bring you along for that part of the adventure. Hey guys, just want to do a quick update video. I'll leave a link down below to all the lawn care videos I've done thus far. But if you look at any of the last couple of videos, you may have noticed that over in this area there were some dead spots, bare spots that had surfaced from over the winter, and I just wanted to show you what is going on with these. A good one to look at will be this one right here. I don't know if you can see, but there's tons of brand new grass coming up right there and filling in this space that had some bare spots quite nicely. So it's a little harder to see, but we've got tons of new grass coming in and filling in these bare spots. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on that. Okay guys, it's been about 8 days since that last video, and just wanted to show you this update here. If you'll notice this grass right here, this is where some of those holes and bare spots and stuff were, and as you can see, it's just filled in pretty much completely. We've got this bare spot that was just filled in right here. This is all new grass right there. We had some more bare spots kind of right here, and all of that is filled in beautifully now. And we even had some right here, and that's all filled in as well. So anyway, worked exceptionally well, and I'll show you the trick to doing this. First step is to use this. If you are serious about your lawn and you don't have one of these rakes, you need to get one. This is the Groundskeeper 2 rake. And these tines have an individual spring on them, so they can each adapt to different conditions, and they're quite rigid. So they're more rigid than your normal leaf rake tines, but they're not as rigid as, say, a dirt rake. And so it works extremely well to get into the grass and just rake out any dead material, and then rough up the dirt just a little bit below. So that's what I did in all of these spots. I just took out any excess material and roughed up the dirt. Then I put down some Scott's soil. I'll put a picture of that here on the screen because I threw all the bags away and I don't have that anymore. But I used that and put it on all the bare spots. Okay, just a little bit, maybe like 1/2 inch max, 3/8 was kind of more of the average. Then the magic sauce right here. This is the Black Beauty Ultra by Jonathan Green grass seed. This stuff is awesome. You get 3 different kinds of grass. I'll show you that on the back here. Now I live in a cooler place, so cool season grass is what I need. But you can look at those specs, pause it if you need to. Best part about it is inert matter is very low. There's not a whole bunch of fillers or anything like that. And you actually get grass seed for buying grass seed. So it germinates incredibly well, and the color, the drought tolerance, all of it is exceptionally well. I've used it for a number of years, and as you can see, it just makes the grass look beautiful and awesome. It just has the deepest, richest green color. So anyway, I put that down on those spots, and then I came back with my Groundskeeper 2 rake and just gently raked it around. You can even turn it upside down a little bit like this, and just kind of go back and forth down in those bare spots, and just get the seed mixed in with the soil, and then I followed that up with some Scott's starter fertilizer. And when I'm doing just patch repair, because I didn't do a full overseed this year, my grass came in really well. There were just a few little patches that needed to be repaired. So I actually just take the fertilizer with my hand. I wear a glove and just get it, and I just come and lightly sprinkle, ever so lightly, on the locations. Not heavy, because you'll burn it, but just a very light sprinkle here or there, and that helps get that seed growing and flourishing. So anyway, there's your update. We're just coming up on Memorial Day weekend here at this point, and it's about time for the next round of fertilizer, so stay tuned for that. And we'll just keep going through this year and showing you the process of making the yard look awesome. But as you can see, this is my section that I like to focus on right here, because it gets the most sun. It usually has the most trouble out of all the areas in my yard. But you can see if I pan over here, the entire rest of the yard is looking green and lush and awesome. So anyway, stay tuned for the next update coming in a couple weeks. Take care, guys.